Hello good people. Today, we are going to cover 5 best budget pedal boards in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Voodoo Lab Dingbat Medium Pedal Board. It has been in the pedal game since 1986, and they're known in particular for their pedal power supplies, a robust option for running FX rigs of every size. The company released their line of Dingbat pedal boards in 2017, and their medium size is an exemplary model of the best their design has to offer. The 297 square inch Dingbat Medium is built from durable aircraft-grade aluminum and includes a single pedal power too, which integrates seamlessly into the board's underside. The design itself can accommodate up to 2 pedal power units to supply power for up to 16 pedals, making this a good pedal board to grow with whether you're a hobbyist or a working musician. The surface of the Dingbat Medium features a number of punched-out holes for cable management to aid in keeping things visually tidy, and the included hook and loop and cable ties keep the setup secure. While this innovative and irregular surface undoubtedly grants a great deal of flexibility for custom setups, it can be time-consuming to install hook and loop onto this board when compared to simpler bar designs. Potential users should also keep in mind that Voodoo Lab's power supplies are quite heavy, which is a testament to their quality but an important thing to consider if you're going on the move. Number 2. Our second best pick is Ghostfire Guitar Pedal Board. The V-Baby One is an aluminum pedal board from Ghostfire that offers just enough space for 4 regular-sized pedals, making it a great choice for auxiliary setups or stripped-down configurations. It includes a soft-handled carrying bag with an Oxford cloth finish and a carrying strap, plus a generous amount of hook and loop and cable ties. Without the bag, the metal frame of the pedal board weighs just over 1 pound, so it's also a stellar option if you're flying or otherwise traveling light. Measuring in at just 1.9 inches high, the V-Baby One has a slick low profile that will take up hardly any space while in use or in storage. If you'll be using an underside-mounted power supply, bear in mind that this pedal board's low clearance can only accommodate units less than 1.37 inches thick, so you'll need to go with a low-profile option like the TrueTone OneSpot Pro CS6. Many power supplies come with mounting equipment like brackets and screws, but hook and loop may be more conducive to the quick and easy user experience that this form factor inspires. Number 3. Our third best pick is Pedaltrain Nano Plus Pedal Board. The scrappy 18-inch long Nano Plus from Pedaltrain is a great compromise for musicians who want portability from a pedal board but aren't keen on cutting out equipment for the sake of saving space. Users looking to string together one of each of the most common effects pedals, a tuner, distortion, modulation, delay, and reverb will find that the Nano Plus is perfectly sized to include one of each of these essentials with room to spare. This combination of flexibility and just enough capacity make the Nano Plus a good choice for an everyday pedal board that can easily move from the rehearsal studio to the stage with minimum fuss required. Like all of Pedaltrain's offerings, the Nano Plus is constructed from welded aluminum for lightweight durability, and it comes with 36 inches of adhesive-backed hook and loop for customizing your setup. The included fitted soft case is constructed to endure the rigors of travel, with heavy-duty zippers and extra reinforcement on stress points. The Nano Plus is an exceptionally thin pedal board that only rises 1.4 inches off the ground, so as with the V-Baby One above, you'll need a low-profile power supply. It has 2 rails that can accommodate most common pedals, but you'll want to size up to the 3-rail Pedaltrain Metro 16 if you're using a volume pedal or other unit that's over 5 inches long. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Pedaltrain Classic JR Pedal Board. Nashville-based music company Pedaltrain is a leader in the pedal board industry, with a name as recognizable as its minimalist hand-welded aluminum designs. The Classic JR is a great medium-sized offering from Pedaltrain that comes with either a soft case or a hard case and sports 216 square inches of surface area for your pedals. As is typical for most pedal boards on the market, the Classic JR comes with a roll of user-installable hook and loop tape for custom tailoring of your pedal board to your specific needs. The Classic JR is compatible with Pedaltrain's separately sold power supply and mounting bracket, which allows users to cleanly install a power supply for their pedals underneath the board's frame. This pedalboard's angled surface allows users easy access to all of their pedals, switches, and controls, which makes a world of difference when making changes on the fly and marks an advantage over smaller designs. Still, this perk adds significant bulk that might not be welcome if packing light or setting up in a small space, so that's something to consider if size is a concern. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Temple Audio Duo 24 Pedalboard. Unlike the other pedalboards on our list, this one from Temple Audio is a standalone centerpiece for an expansive ecosystem of modular components and a la carte pieces. Aimed at delivering the tiddiest and most space-efficient pedalboard experience possible, Temple Audio's pedalboards are a blank canvas ready to be outfitted with user-selected components, including a variety of proprietary I/O modules such as effects loops and direct boxes. Due to the highly customizable and modular nature of this unit, it's more suitable for adventurous users with spare time and dreams of a tidy, organized pedalboard. While this is a fantastic option for giving your pedal rig a bespoke treatment, Temple Audio's pieces are all sold separately and require user installation. For example, the pedal mounting plates come in 3 different sizes and are all sold individually. Bags and power supplies are also sold separately. This is the appeal of Temple Audio's stylish and highly customizable system, but the combination of extra financial investment and required setup time may turn off some users. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.